Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're good? That's nice. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 7. Its title is Keeping Clean. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today our SLO is to articulate simple rhyming words in text. So this is language focus rhyming words. Before this, in your Unit 5, I have taught you about rhyming words. Remember, crunchy munchy? I hope you remember this lecture. So we are going to learn further. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Yasin, verse 69, and we did not give him to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam knowledge of poetry, nor is it befitting for him. It is not but a message and a clear Quran. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us? Beta, this verse is telling us about Quran. Our Quran is a serious passage. Our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam throughout his life keep teaching Quran, and our Quran gives us guidance about everything, right? So are you learning Quran, how to recite Quran properly? That's very good, beta. So before starting today's lecture, first you tell me what are initial sounds of words and what are rhyming words. So we have learnt about initial sound, we have learnt about rhyming words. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember that initial sound is the first or beginning sound that you can hear when you say any word. Means when you say a word, the first sound you say or you listen is the initial sound. Look at these pictures. Line, line. So the initial sound is L, letter L. Net, net, net. Now, what letter sounds like this? Letter N. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Which letter sounds like this? Letter P, pencil. House, house, house. Which letter sounds like? It's letter H. So these are initial sounds of these letters. Remember, we have learned in detail about initial sounds. The next thing is rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that have the same ending sounds. What does it mean? Two words, they have different initial sounds, but their endings. And what is ending sound? The sound on which the word ends. The sound which you hear or you say at the end of a word is ending sound. And if two words have same ending sound, what they are called? They are called rhyming words. What are they called? They are called rhyming words. For example, box, fox. Now, when we say these words, even by looking at them, we can find, but when we say and hear box, fox, so their ending sound is same. That's why they are rhyming words, right? The next example is car, star, car, star. Though we don't stress on R, but their ending sound is same, and they are called rhyming words, car and star. Okay, the next is bug, rug. You know what is rug? Like that is spread here. rug, bug. When we say bug, rug, the ending sound is same. Even you can make more sounds like this. How? Rug, bug, mug, plug, all the words which have same ending sound, they are called rhyming words. Teachers, because we are talking about one syllable word, that's why while explaining, kindly take the examples of one syllable words, okay? So let's practice this concept through an activity. Cut a paper chart into pieces and write rhyming words on the pieces of paper. Now pin a piece of paper on each child's shirt. Means every student will be having one word. And once again, this word should be one syllable word. Tell students to race to their partner, and who will be the partner? Who will have the rhyming word. Like maybe one student is having a staple paper shard of car, and he will run to the student who has the rhyming word star, okay? So whoever gets to their partner first wins. Pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now you understand rhyming words. Very good. Let's practice it from your book. All of you now settle down, go back to your seats and open your book on page number 59. Here we go. What we are going to do, you will read the first word and look at the picture, make a word, like write a letter which makes a rhyming word and completes the word. For example, it's written here, hat. And what is this? Bat. You will write B here and it will become a complete rhyming word. So pause the video, complete this task in your book and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will make 5 new rhyming words in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And dear students, once again, you'll have to read the word, look at the picture, and match it with its rhyming word. So what we have learned today? We learned that by changing first letter, we can make rhyming words, and we achieved our SLO to articulate simple rhyming words in text. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.